Floki Inu has some massive news. Is Floki Inu finally gonna flip dog with hat? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about meme coin Floki Inu that has been a fan favorite cryptocurrency and has recently had its 3-year birthday. You heard that right. This one has been standing the test of time and only waiting to hit its next level. Before I start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below as it helps out the channel tremendously and will help you reach your crypto goals. Now we're taking a look at what's going on the day. We are down about 5%. On the week, we are down about 2%, making some recoveries for some losses earlier this week. And on the month, we're down a whopping 26%, which may be at an optimal time to enter in, as Floki just announced a massive new component to the project that adds even more utility, and that is a Floki trading bot. The open beta is officially live on the mainnets of the biggest 3 EVM blockchains, Ethereum, BNB, and Base. Floki trading bot is an innovative multi-chain Telegram on-chain trading bot designed to prove a seamlessly trading experience. With just a few taps, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in seconds across different blockchains. Our aim is to advance the way you trade, making it faster and easier and more efficient to buy your favorite crypto tokens on chain without having to deal with slow, clunky user experiences of decentralized exchange. The Floki trading bot is open beta, and now you can be used by anyone without any limitations or restrictions. You can buy any DEX tokens of your choice of any amount at any time of day. The bot charges a 1% fee on trades use Floki as its utility token. 50% of the fees will be for buys and burns, while the rest goes to the Floki treasury. So now, guys, this Floki trading bot helps you buy and sell cryptocurrencies on decentralized exchange with the snap of a finger, and also charges you 1% fee. Out of that 1% fee, 50% is going to go back to buybacks and burns, and 50% will go to the treasury. That's great for 2 reasons. The buybacks and burns is going to reduce supply, increase demand, and the treasury will have Floki's team loaded up in their reserve for them to make some pretty cool moves. That's pretty exciting news from the Floki team. Now, guys, if you think that sounds exciting and that sounds innovative, here's another innovative and exciting project that has raised $5.1 million in its pre-sale loan, and that is Play Doge, the world's best play-to-earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is the ultimate mobile play-to-earn game that brings iconic Doge meme to the life of a Tamagotchi-style virtual pet. Secure your play tokens during its pre-sale and earn while playing a nostalgic 2D adventure. This pre-sale is going to have a price hike in 2 days and 12 hours. They've already raised $5.1 million. You can buy with ETH, USDT, card, and also BNB. They've been featured on a ton of different websites and exchanges, and we can see the About tab, the inspiration, the game features. This website is very clean, has a great UI, solid roadmap in place as well, and to top the cherry on top, they have staking, so you can earn passive income on your rewards. So 125% AP, dynamic range mean is changing, but also the play to earn aspect just makes it even more sweeter. I want to highlight that again. Play Doge, link in the description below. But let's go back to Floki, as the crypto market is looking quite interesting. We are seeing a little bit of red across the board in the crypto market, down 1.2% on the day. We're seeing Bitcoin's been in the red. The fear and greed index is currently sitting at a 46 neutral. We're hoping things to reverse very soon, as Floki has been getting some momentum. Hopefully it will flip dog with hat in the meme coin race. As we can see currently, Floki is sitting at number 5, and we are just a little bit away, 300 million away from flipping dog with hat. So again, we're very, very close in terms of volume. We're at 50% of the volume that dog with hat has. And again, Floki's just been around so much longer. When we look at the website, right, the people's cryptocurrency, Floki is a utility token of the Floki ecosystem, and they have Valhalla, play to earn game, Tokify, staking, Flokify, NFTs, prepaid cards, Floki places, and then also a Floki university to teach people crypto education and platform, which is nice. They have Floki news, and again, they're highlighting that trading bot's live. We see the Tokify token's been listed on Kraken features, so that's pretty cool as well. And the website's clean, very, very active. Now we go to Twitter. We see the trading bot was live for the mainnet. Public beta live was yesterday. We see also yesterday celebrating 3 years of Floki. Today marks an incredible milestone for Floki. A heartfelt thank you to our amazing Floki community for your unwavering support. It's absolutely massive, right? When Elon Musk made a tweet, my Shiba Inu will be named Floki. That's when Floki token was born. Fast forward 3 years later, they built a massive community, and they're just doing something crazy right now with this new trading bot. They're going to be bringing even more money into the platform, which is great. We also see a $2,000 prize pool for a Vietnam contest, $2,000 giveaway to celebrate a new campaign in Hin Chin Minh City. We're giving our amazing Floki community in Vietnam a $2,000 prize pool, 10 winners, 200 USDT each. They have over 600,000 followers, guys. It's been absolutely insane of a journey. In terms of technical notes, we are seeing a little bit reddish. Oscillators are in sell, moving averages are in strong sell, giving us overall summary of sell. However, guys, there may be an opportunity here to load up a bag and get it at some absolute low prices. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.